Okay, I want to welcome everybody to our 60th annual Winter Silhouette Show. And we have plenty of trees on display. This just happens to be mine. This was a Jim Barrett tree. I've had it for 2 years. I restructured it, put it in a different pot, and it's coming along very well. And I was pleased to put it in the show this year. So hope to see everybody come down. And we have reception tonight from 6 to 9. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mary Morrissey, and I've been in the club for 24 years, and I'm going to show you my Zelkova. And I've had this for a number of years. I do not remember where it's from, but I love it. It's kind of like, creates its own, kind of looks like Halloween to me, but I love it, and I'm happy to have it here today.
Hi, I'm Shirley Kwan, and this tree in this display is a Japanese apricot or ume. So this tree is really well known for a lot of people because they eat the ume fruit with rice, which is it's sometimes good for some people. Other people think it's too sour, but it doesn't matter because we all enjoy the flower and the fragrance. It's really a nice fragrance, kind of like cinnamon. But if you smell it in the garden, it's beautiful. Done.
This is my tree. It's a Ginkgo forest. It started with just these two in the middle. Picked it up as a 1 gallon at San Gabriel Nursery 13 years ago, I think it was. Been growing it ever since. Got it into this current pot about 3 years ago. It's been in a grow box since then. I made the table specifically for this pot and tree combo, and I also made the 2 jitas over here. My overall theme for this tree, it's a Ginkgo forest, and I used a desert stone, which looks like a river stone. It's a little water stone, and then there's a piece of bark that's mossy, which basically gives a nod back to the forest landscape. But that's my tree.
Hi, my name is Giovanni. This is a Trident maple. I bought a couple of years from at Clark. Been growing in it for a while. I've actually got a nice little succulent that turns red in winter, which is kind of rare, and I really enjoy that. This tree has been worked on for about 5 years, and it's been a blast growing from it. It's already almost healed on the back for its new leader, its new apex, so I've been enjoying it, and here's to one day eventually having a tree as good as my other members.
Okay, well this is, my name is Lindsay Shiva, and this is my Korean hornbeam. I got it originally from Benny Kim up in the high desert. He imported it quite a few years ago. And it's supposed to be a Yamadori from Korea. So it could have been. But I've had it about 35 years, been training. It was about this tall when I started. And so this is today.
Hi, my name is Ken K, and I'm a longtime member of Baikoen Bonsai Kenkyukai, and it's very honored that they have me in a Tokonoma this year. This is our 60th anniversary show, and I'm really, really excited to be honored and to receive a special award tonight. What I'm showing this year is a Trident maple forest. Actually, I have 3 groups of trees, and I kind of put them together to make a big forest. And before the show, I put some stands to create a little stream to make it like you're in the forest and see the trees and the little stream growing through the forest. And my accent piece is a piece of rock that represents a mountain. So it's a forest and a mountain. And then the scroll, I painted the scroll a few days ago. And that is a winter scene to go with the winter silhouette show. Thank you very much.
I'm Jack Reynolds, and this is my bald cypress. I've had it over 20 years. And the tree and I have had a long discussion about what the top should look like, and the tree won and said that it should be a flat top, and so that's what it is.
Hi, my name's Ken Ross. This is my tree. It's a Chinese elm, grown from seed, 2006. So it's about, 17 years old. Been in this condition for about 4 or 5 years. finished the way it is. Made my own stand. That's pretty much it.
Anytime.
Yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about this display. There's a cork elm on top and a Japanese privet in the center and a little persimmon on the front here. And they're on a camphor wood stand that we built many, many years ago, maybe 30 years ago. But yeah, they're fun trees to grow, and they're wonderful to grow, and you know the rest. That's good.
Okay, so this Trident maple was sprouted in approximately 1981 and grown in the field for a couple of years, then wired a little bit for shade. Then it was neglected for 10 or 15 years while I paid little attention to bonsai because of work. And then after I retired, I got back into it and tried to develop the tree. It's about half done now. But I love it because all the scars are about gone. And you know, when you start, you don't have very many. You start from seed. You know.
Hey, so this is a cork bark elm that I started about 2001, 2002, kind of in that range. I grew this in boxes and nursery pots probably for about the first 10 or 12 years. Moved it into pots starting in about 2010. And took pictures, started taking pictures of it because I had my first digital cameras, and periodically pictures after that. Here it is, you know, basically 25 years later. This is how it looks. And it's really, I couldn't be happier how it looks today.
Hi, my name is Kathy Benson. This is my Trident maple, and I bought this about 20 some years ago from a man in Camarillo, and it was very straight up here, and I cut it off right here to make a new, smaller apex and with more curve to match the curve in the trunk, which I really, really liked. And it produces a lot of seed pods. I had some on here, but I guess somebody dusted them off.
My name is Peter Makashev, and I brought my naked bonsai. Okay, from the top, this is Princess Persimmon. Down here, it's Korean hornbeam, and this one here is fire canta, and down below is my crabapple, and the bottom right is Trident maple. And on my side tree is actually a Indian hawthorn with beautiful black fruit on it, all because it's a naked bonsai with no leaf or nothing. And plus, I have two pots in here. One, this one here, and this one is made by me by myself. And the rest, introducing my painted pot from Japan. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Cheryl Manning, and this is my tree at the Baikoen show. It's a flowering pear. It's got a couple of flowers that have opened, and it's got an awful lot of buds. This was a gift to me from John Naka. This was his tree in his backyard, and it's planted in a drum pot that was made by a potter in Australia when I was living in Sydney. And it's at least 50 years old. At least 50. That's it.
Hi, my name is Shaheen Kiani. This is my Catlin elm. This is a very special tree to me because it was the very first bonsai tree I started working on in my whole bonsai career 4 years ago. I got this from Roy Nagatoshi at Fuji Nursery, and it was a lot taller, and the branches were in slightly different places, so I learned wiring on this thing, and this was the same tree I showed last year, but since then it has branched out a little bit more. And this accent plant is from a tufa trip we just did with Ted Matson. We went to somewhere near Mojave, and we got these rocks, and I carved a little hole out in it, and I put this succulent in it, and that's my accent. And then I think I'm going to put it in a big pot and let it recover this year. What's your name again?
My name is Wally Kunimoto, and I'm from the Bonsai Club of Santa Barbara.
And what's so special about your tree?
the rootage in the body and how I produced it. I think that's the interesting part about it because there's no grafting on it.
Oh.
And it was surprising how the way you can do it is that, you know, the big roots, you can just cut it right at that level and then put it back in the pot, bigger container, and cover it up to here. In about 1 or 2 years, then you can take it off, and then this roots start to come out. So there's no grafting on it. So this is a really nice way to make the rootage on the Trident maple. I don't know if it works on others, but the Trident maple it did.
Awesome. Thank you for your time today.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. This tree is about 20, 25 years ago. My friend gave me. Yeah. This one maybe second or third years. It's a lot of fruits.
Okay.
Fruits are very, but most time now they're all gone.
Oh, okay.
Because birds come in and too dry because all open. But this year I put in the greenhouse. More moisture because still like this.
Oh, so those are not flowers?
Not, this is not flowers.
Those are fruits?
Fruits.
Oh, that's interesting.
Fruits and seeds, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for your time to talk.
Hi, my name is Robert King, and today I'm showing this Ginkgo. It's my first time actually showing it. I got it from my friend Shigeko Iwasaki, and that was probably about 10 years ago. So I've been growing it ever since, and I don't do anything with it. I am my sensei's student, so I just water it and prune it once a year when the leaves are off.
Hi, my name is Bill Ward. This is my twisted pomegranate that I've had for around 10 years that I collected out of a nursery, and I have a dead vein that's running up through here that I thought was a natural feature on it, and that's it. Pretty cool tree. Thanks.